What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best vegetable chopper available right now. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Mueller Pro Vegetable Chopper. Let's get started. Product feature: 8 interchangeable blades. Features 8 diverse blades, including 2 chopper sizes and 6 for slicing, grating, and julienning, replacing multiple bulky tools with one compact design. High-quality precision, equipped with professional-grade stainless steel blades that effortlessly handle onions, tomatoes, and cabbage for consistent results every time. Integrated food container. Comes with a built-in food container and holder that keeps small ingredients secure and organized while slicing to minimize kitchen mess. Effortless maintenance. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the easy-to-dismantle design and included scrubbing fork, making it completely dishwasher-safe for your convenience. Proven durability. Since 2013, Mueller has built a reputation for high-quality, long-lasting kitchen tools trusted by both professional chefs and home cooks alike. Time-saving prep. Designed to turn tedious meal preparation into a quick and enjoyable task, giving you more time to focus on creating healthy, delicious recipes. Round-the-clock support. Experience peace of mind with 24/7 live telephone assistance, ensuring all your questions are answered and your kitchen experience stays smooth. Pros. This chopper is a true game changer for anyone wanting to eat healthier without spending hours in the kitchen. Its versatility replaces a cabinet full of gadgets, while the professional-grade blades make you feel like a pro chef. It's incredibly user-friendly, ensuring that even on your busiest days, you can nourish your family with fresh, beautifully chopped vegetables effortlessly. Cons. Because the blades are so sharp for high-performance cutting, you'll need to handle them with extra care during cleaning. Also, with 8 different attachments to choose from, it might take a moment to learn which specific blade works best for your favorite delicate vegetables. Final thoughts. Bringing this tool into your home is about more than just dicing onions. It's about reclaiming your time and making healthy living accessible. It feels like a helping hand in the kitchen, removing the stress of prep work so you can enjoy the heart of the home, sharing meals with the people you love. It's a reliable, caring addition to any kitchen that truly puts your needs first. Imagine how much easier your next meal will be. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Best Product and like this video. See you in the next one.